Hey, move. Guys do a great job.
Is it on?
Yeah. Oh, my head hurts. This is a lovely day to be doing this. It's like 5 layers of tape. I'm not cutting toward myself. That will help the migraine.
I want to split the whole thing out.
Because I can't get my scissors in there.
Bubba.
Ah! Oh, I have my other dolls sitting here, and they're not even in the...
Let me move it.
Yeah, it's fine. It's a different box than I saw. The other ones. Tika doll. I think. I believe there's not a cat in the box already.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! It's like a birth certificate with a 15 nifty. And all his measurements and stuff. From Minton card. Thought they spelled my name wrong for a second, but that's who packed it.
Marissa did?
Melissa. But I glanced, it looked like Melissa. I am missing a little buddy. There is not my entire order here.
Aww. Waited all this time and it's not all there?
Well, the big guy is here, but I've got the little one. It came with a free 11 centimeter. So I'll have to call him. But he is here. Does it say it on my paper? Does it say... Oh, his hands are so pretty. I just set that paper down that I thought had my name spelled wrong on it. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, yeah, it just has him on here. I'll have to email him.
Yeah, that sucks. You wait all this time.
Oh, his feet are awesome too.
Let me see. Ooh.
He has feet. Not hooves. Although I love my hooves. Oh, that's awesome.
Wow.
I should get all this stuff off before I look at this piece. Cut this one. I'm missing the scissors. Did you see the scissors?
They were right there.
Wow, great.
Underneath the box.
Oh, behind me on the couch. I can lose scissors faster than anyone.
Yes, you can.
Oh my gosh, you're heavy.
8 pounds. Well, him and the box together. 8 pounds.
He's bigger than I thought he'd be. He's so huge. Bubba, where are you going?
It's pacing. Bubba, well, you
You're
got a
so
scratch on
itchy.
camera.
Oh, he is on camera. Nice.
Bubba!
Boobs! I'll get you. I don't think their allergy meds are working. Oh my god, it's taped here again! He jumped on the bubble wrap. Oh, his face is. Oh, his eyes are like green and blue. His eyes are so pretty.
He is handsome. Bring him forward.
He looks a bit more like, what's his name? In How I Met Your Mother. Blonde one?
No.
Barney. He looks a bit more like that guy who plays Barney. I'll put him closer to the camera. It's older. I don't know how well my webcam looks.